Hi, it's Miss Kelly. I wanted to show you guys how to use these percussion play-alongs in my playlist that I put on my YouTube channel. So right now on the screen, I've got one for a piece of music by Mozart called Rondo alla Turca. They just called it alla Turca, but it's the same thing. And you can see here that they have player 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you can tell it's for home practice because they suggest a box, a metal can, cutlery, and a lid as your instruments. You can substitute if you like. Like I was looking around for some metal cans, but I found this bowl that's made out of metal and I thought it had a pretty cool sound. So I decided to substitute that for a can. I found a tissue box. For cutlery, I'm using a fork. I put it on a sponge so that it would make a good sound when I lay it on my table. And these are some chopsticks that I'm using since I'm by myself. If you weren't by yourself, you could just tap two forks together or, a fork and a spoon or something, and that'd probably sound nice. You could hold your lid and tap it with something. I put mine up on to a soup can so it would make a good sound. And then I'm going to play the video here a little bit, and you're going to see that some little rectangles are going to come from the top of the screen, and then when they get to your colored area, that when they cross that white line, that's when you're supposed to play. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so that's a little sample for you. And so you could play with four people, each one having one instrument. You could play one person trying to play the whole thing. After it really gets going, you might have to leave some stuff out if you're all by yourself because you only have two hands after all. But it can be very fun. Okay, another format, I'm going to switch to the William Tell Overture and show you how that one goes. Because they don't have the bars coming down on this one. They've got like a little guy that bounces along and you wait for him to get to your cymbal. Let me see if I can fast forward just to save some time. Okay, let's see. So you just decide, let me pause it. Just decide who's going to be the circle, who's going to be the crosses or the X's, who's going to be the triangle. There's a squares later on in there. And so you can just assign each one to a different instrument or a different person. I made these little cards so I could put it next to my instruments so I could help me keep track. And then you just follow the little guy. Let me show him to you. There he is. So again, once it gets going, if I'm by myself trying to do all four things, and it's going fast, I might be like, I don't know which one was the square again. It doesn't matter. Just play something and follow him and have fun making those rhythm patterns along with that famous piece of music. Now, if you do have four people, it's probably polite for you to wait your turn, of course. But if you're by yourself or there's only a couple of you, just have fun playing these. I just wanted to show you what to do so that the symbols and what that little thing is doing there or what the bars are doing would make sense to you. Okay, so I hope that you'll maybe send me a video of you playing with some of these. I'd love to see you making music at home with whatever you found that make cool sounds. So have fun. Bye.